This is a normal 240 volt American electrical outlet. And this is a regular cheap ass blender. 120 volts AC, 360 watts. All you have to do to plug it in 240 is twist this pin. I'm gonna make a smoothie. So, some random bullshit fruit. I got some walnuts and some rocks, water. Since I've already twisted the pin, I'm going to use this adapter to run it on 120 volts through a kilowatt so we can watch the power. I'll set it to watts. So that ran, what, 425 watts or something like that? And I'll plug it into the 240 volt outlet. And I'll turn on this breaker over here. Here's the motor, and it looks like all it did was lose its brushes. Okay, no, look. Right in there. The commutator's destroyed. So, yeah, it's toast. Yeah.
Yep.
Well, that's what happens when you plug a blender into the wrong outlet.